Now children, here in this video I am going to explain you about the capacitance of an isolated spherical conductor. So this is a spherical conductor. When this spherical conductor is charged, so you all know very well, whenever a conductor is charged, charge does not appear inside the conductor, it appears only on the outer surface of the conductor. Okay, so this is a charge spread over the entire surface of the conductor. O is the center of the conductor, R is the radius. You all know very well, at every point on the surface of the conductor, potential is same. So if at every point on the conductor potential is same, because the radius will be same at every point. So we know that V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. So that is why R is same at every point, so V is same. V is same on the outer surface, so we can suppose that the charge is concentrated at the center. So if we suppose that the charge is concentrated at the center, because V is same at every point on the surface, so what will be the capacitance of the spherical conductor? Okay, whether it is a hollow spherical conductor or it is a solid spherical conductor, potential will be same at every point, as you have done in the potential part also. So now in this condition you have to find out what is the capacitance or capacity of the isolated conductor. So this is the potential at every point on the conductor, spherical conductor, and you know that C is equal to what? Q upon V. Okay, so if C is equal to Q upon V and we have supposed that potential is same at every point, तो charge must be concentrated at the center. जैसे आप कहते हैं कि किसी बॉडी का जो मास है वो उसके एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पर कंसनट्रेटेड सपोज किया जाता है, दैट इज़ द सेंटर ऑफ मास. तो ऐसे ही इस आइसोलेटेड कंडक्टर का जो टोटल चार्ज है वो हम सपोज कर रहे हैं कि वो सेंटर पे कंसनट्रेटेड है. सो दैट इज़ वाई when you will substitute the value, it comes out to be Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught into R. Now Q and Q cancelled out, so C comes out to be what? This will be 4 pi epsilon naught into R. So this is the formula of the capacitance of the isolated spherical conductor. So from this formula we concluded that C is directly proportional to only R. If R increases, then capacitance of the conductor, means the ability of the spherical conductor to store a charge, also increases.